Hello friends, in today's video we're going to talk about MetaMask wallet. We will teach you how to add MetaMask wallet extension to MySys browser, how to create MetaMask wallet, and how to use this wallet. So if you are really interested, please keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. Also, you can join our channel in Telegram, where we publish the latest news about testnet projects and airdrops. Link will be down below in the description box. With that being said, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your MySys browser and install MetaMask extension. I showed you in the previous video how to do that, but let me show you again. So open your search bar and type in Chrome extensions. And click on the first website. Then you will land here. Just zoom in a little bit and type in the search bar MetaMask. And from here, click on the first extension and open it in a new tab. You will land on this page. I've already installed this extension, but in your case, if you want to install it, just click on this blue button on the top right corner. In your case, they will show you Add to Chrome, so just click on it and wait until it's completely installed. After it finishes, click on this icon and then click on MetaMask. They will redirect you to this page. Just wait a few seconds. And here they will show you some information about this wallet. Just scroll down a little bit and check out this box to agree to their terms of use, and then click on Create a new wallet. Even if you have already a wallet in MetaMask, I recommend you to create a brand new wallet just for the sake of connecting to testnet projects. And then they will show you this message. Scroll down a little bit and check out this box, and then click on I agree. Here you need to create a new password. Let me show you another application that we can use. You can find the link for that application down below in the description box, or you can install it from Google Play. It's called Google Notes. Open this application and then click on this blue button. Choose text. And here you can type in your password. Copy this password and then paste it here. Check out this box and click on Create New Wallet. Next, they'll ask you to secure your wallet using something called secret recovery phrase. So let's just go back and click on Secure My Wallet, the second option. Next, they will ask you to write down your secret recovery phrase, and they will show you some tips about how you can do that. It contains 12 words that you need to copy and paste them or save them in a secure place. Let me show you how. Click on Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase. Then click on Copy to Clipboard. And as you can see, there are 12 words. You need to save them in the same order. Again, we can use Google Notes to save this recovery phrase. Click on the blue button and choose Text. And paste your recovery phrase here. See? Now let's go back. And from here, after you saved your recovery phrase, click on Next. Then they will ask you to write specific keywords just to make sure that you have saved your recovery phrase. So let me show you how to do that. Go to Google Notes and type in the required words. Make sure to use only small letters. After you finish, click on Confirm. Congratulations, your wallet is protected and ready to use. Scroll down a little bit and click on Done. Then click on Next. Click on Done. And you will land on this dashboard. From here, you can buy and sell tokens. You can swap them. You can also send and receive some tokens. But before we start using this wallet, we need to do something which is very important. So click on the three dots on the top right corner. Click on Settings. And from here, choose Security and Privacy. Scroll down a little bit. And under the Security section, if you didn't save your recovery phrase or you lose it for some reasons, you can reveal it from here and save it again, as I showed you before. Scroll down a little bit, and when you reach to this section, which is Choose Your Network, click on Add Custom Networks. From here, you can add specific networks to your wallet. Let me show you how. Let's add the base mainnet network. So click on the Add button on the right side. They will show you this message. Click on Approve. And wait a few seconds. Now click on the three dots on the top right corner. Click on Settings. Then Security and Privacy. And scroll down. As you can see, we have added the base mainnet network, but it's turned off. So just turn it on again. Now let's add another network. So scroll down a little bit and click on Add Custom Network. And from here, let me choose this time the Binance Smart Chain Network. So click on the Add button on the right side. Click on Approve. Now click on the three dots again, choose Settings, and from here choose Privacy and Security, and scroll down a little bit. And as you can see, we have added the Binance Smart Chain Network, but it's off, so turn it on again. Congratulations guys, we have successfully created a brand new wallet in MetaMask. I showed you before how you can install the extension and how you can add custom networks. Also, don't forget to save your recovery phrase and the password. you need to use this password every time you want to log into your wallet, or if you want to connect this wallet to some testnet projects, they will ask you to type in your password, so it's really important to save it secure. By the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Also, don't forget to check out the description box. It contains all the links that you need. See you later, guys. Good luck.